how do you deal with the pressure of social spending without feeling left out?
Feeling left out, that's a big word, you know?
Yes.
What's up, Townies? Pagod na ba kayo sa pagtitipid? Sumasakit na ba ang inyong ulo sa pagtitipid? Ako nga pala si Chris at samahan niyo ko para pag-usapan ang mga tipid tips na hindi nakaka-burnout. Tara, usap tayo!
Kasama natin ngayon dito si Janice from my town, Athens. Pag-uusapan natin ngayon yung mga tipid tips na hindi nakaka-burn out. Kasi diba, ang dami na natin ngayon masyadong ginagawa mga iba't ibang tipid tips pero nakaka-stress minsan, diba? So, how do you find the balance between budgeting and enjoying life? Kasi syempre mga kabataan ngayon gusto nila work-life balance talaga.
The first thing that you need to do is yung mindset mo na budgeting is not your enemy. So una, you have to understand that budgeting should be your friend. And also, if you have a good friends naman they will adjust to you. Dapat nasa same circle ka, like a good circle of friends. And then you mention your budget loudly. Like, yes, you have good friends, pero hindi naman nila alam na ganito lang yung budget mo. Kung aware lahat and you have a good mindset that your friends are understanding you, then hindi madali yan Sila na rin yung mag-a-adjust for you, kung ano yung pwede niyong gawin. Kasi enjoying life doesn't have to be costly. Doesn't have to be very hard. At the same time, dadating din naman kayo sa point na mag-iipon kayo.
Naniniwala ako sa sinasabi na talagang pag nasa tamang environment ka, mga nasa tamang community ka, just like my town, nasa tamang community, for sure makakapag-budget tayo ng maayos. Alright. Wait lang. I have another question. So, how do you deal with the pressure of social spending without feeling left out?
Feeling left out, that's a big word, you know?
Yes.
As I grow older and go with the world nga, what I realize is everything has an option. For example, local products. Mas maganda na kilalanin natin yung mga local products natin kasi you will never know if it will be better than the imported ones, diba? As a Filipino, it's a good thing na kilalanin natin yung mga products na affordable at the same time will give you better quality. The other options is, again, mindset. Minsan, we fear missing out. But how about yung joy of missing out? Kasi other side of it, there's always be a face of the coin kasi. You will never know na yun yung time na pwede ka mag-stop, think about your mental health. Okay ka pa ba? Paano kung you just covering everything with joy?
Nice!
Diba inside and out, meron niyang joy and sadness.
Yes.
I believe marami sa atin na they're covering their sadness with joy. Minsan you have to slow down and face what you really are facing on para maka-move forward ka. Or mangyayari pa ikot-ikot lang yan, nandun ka lang sa ano. You have to face na sometimes being left out is a good thing.
Feel ko kasi parang if hindi ka makasabay sa kanila, then do something productive. You can do another part-time job. Katulad sila mo, support local. Ang daming mga local products right now na available in the market, in the online shopping marketplace. So, support local, support yung small businesses kasi nakatulong ka pa, at least you're in trend pa, di ba?
Yes. Something good
Yes.
Galing mong gumawa ng coffee.
Pero Janice, other than coffee, what's that one expense na hindi mo talaga i-give up because of your mental health?
Subscriptions lalo sa podcast. Other than reading books, watching movies. Pero yung subscription ko kasi sa mga podcast, it helps me to have an other side of things. Especially budgeting. There are a lot of podcasts na pinag-uusapan ng finances. And being a CPA, medyo may konting pressure when it comes sa, dapat magaling ka sa ganito, magaling ka sa ganyan. So sometimes, people like me also wanted parang a safe space. Would also give you other perspective in life. Sometimes, yes, it's good to budget, magtipid, ganyan. But sometimes it's also good to reward yourself like coffee, diba? Like subscription sa podcast. Everything has to be balanced. Hindi pwedeng sobrang higpit, hindi rin pwedeng sobrang luwag, or else everything will crash.
If there's one expense na I really not gonna give up, that will be food. I have a friend, nasa Dubai siya ngayon, hello Mac. Ina-advise niya sa akin lagi, do not deprive yourself sa pagkain. If you want to eat something, you're craving for it, go for it. huwag mo nang isipin, huwag ka nang magdalawang isip, go because food is necessity. Sobrang importante ng food.
And health.
Exactly.
Not lang ang mental health, but the physical health.
Exactly. Kaya siguro ako matakaw.
Ganon.
I love coffee. Thank you, Janice, for giving advices, mga tipid tips na hindi nakaka-burn out for our young professional. Thank you guys for watching this episode and tune in again on my next video.
Bye-bye!